Friends, welcome back to the chemistry class. In our today's class, we will discuss bond line structure. Now, let's look at the bond line structure formula. A bond line structure formula is a short and simplified method for representing an organic compound. In this method, carbon-carbon bond is represented by lines drawn in zigzag fashion. Represent carbon to carbon bonds and line terminals generally represented methyl group if they don't have a functional group, whereas the line junctions represent the carbon atoms attached to appropriate number of hydrogen atoms required to satisfy the valency of carbon. If any heteroatoms are present in place of hydrogen, they are specifically written by using their symbols as shown here, like that here, Cl. So now we will represent here Cl. So now let us represent the bond line structure for formula for this as shown here, like that is condensed formula and that is bond line structural formula. So this is the condensed structural formula and the bond line structural formula for 2-bromo-butane. Cyclic compounds are represented by polygon. In a polygon, the corners represented carbon atoms and the sides represent a carbon-carbon bond. So, symbol of atoms other than carbon and hydrogen are shown on the structure. Now look at this here if bromine are present. So, organic molecules can be represented by using the solid and dash wedges formula like this. This is a three-dimensional structural formula representation of an organic compounds. In this formula can be represented on the paper by using three conventions, that is a dash, a solid phase and a dash phase. A dash like that, na? A dash is used to mean that the bond is in the plane of the paper. A solid phase means that the bond is projecting out of the paper and we can say is towards the observer. And a dash phase is used to mean that the bond is projecting out of the paper and is away from the observer. The 3D means three-dimensional. The 3D image for the methane is shown here. Three-dimensional molecular module are used for better visualization and perception of the shapes of organic compounds. So now here this bond line structural formula is completed. We will discuss in our next topic, that is nomenclature of organic compound, in our next video. Thank you.